Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your profile picture on your account on Signal easy and quickly. So enter the application. Now as you see here you have this profile icon, click on it, and as you see here this is your profile, so click on it, and there we find edit photo, so you can add, click here and choose any photo from your gallery and add it here. Also you can change your name, something about you, the badges. So this is your profile section, so do whatever you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.